real estate, or stocks? Everyone has an opinion. Your uncle swears by property. Finance bros swear by index funds. Today, we settle it with math. Same money, same 30 years, real numbers. And the winner is not who you think. Here is the setup. You have $69,000 saved up. Why that oddly specific number? Because it is exactly a 20% down payment on a $300,000 rental, plus closing costs. 2 paths, 1 pile of money. Let's go. Path 1. You become a landlord. You buy the $300,000 house. $60,000 down, $9,000 in closing costs. The bank lends you the other $240,000 at 6.5% for 30 years. Your payment? About $1,500 a month. But here is the magic part. You don't pay it. Your tenant does. The rent covers the mortgage, the taxes, the insurance. That is the whole superpower of real estate. Leverage. You control a $300,000 asset with $69,000 of your own money. Now let time do its thing. Houses grow around 4% a year on average. So after 30 years, your house is worth $973,000. Paid off, free and clear. A tenant paid the loan for you. Sounds unbeatable, right? Hold that thought, because we haven't talked about the 3 a.m. phone call yet. Quick pause. If you are enjoying the math, subscribe. It is free and it really helps the channel. Now, the phone call. It is 3 in the morning. Your phone rings. The water heater died. Again. Owning a rental is not passive income. It is a part-time job. Repairs cost about 1% of the home's value every single year. That is $3,000 a year on average. Then add vacancies, months where nobody pays rent, but the bank still wants its $1,500. Still sounds simple? Keep all that in mind. It decides the verdict. Path 2, the boring one. Same $69,000 dropped into a world index fund. No tenants, no toilets, no phone calls, ever. Historically, stocks return about 8% a year. So 30 years later, $694,000. Wait, that loses? Yes, at 8%, the landlord wins by almost $300,000. Leverage is that powerful. But here is where it gets spicy. The S&P 500 has averaged about 10% over the last century. At 10%, your $69,000 becomes $1.2 million. Now the stocks win by more than $200,000. The entire internet debate lives inside those 2 percentage points. Nobody ever tells you that part. So let's talk about what the numbers don't show. Leverage cuts both ways. In 2008, houses dropped 20%. On a $300,000 house, that is $60,000 gone. Your entire down payment wiped out. Stocks crash too, but nobody calls in your loan. Then there is liquidity. Need cash from stocks? 1 click, 2 days. Need cash from a house? Months of showings and about 6% in selling fees. $18,000 gone at the exit. And finally, diversification. A rental is one roof in one town with one tenant. An index fund is 1,500 companies across 50 countries. So, who actually wins? Real estate's superpower is leverage, a tenant paying off your loan. Stock's superpower is compounding you never have to touch. And the boring truth? Wealthy people usually own both. If you have the time, the tools, and the patience for tenants, property is incredible. If you want your weekends back, index funds are unbeatable. The only losing move is doing neither. Your 69,000 does not care which side of the internet wins. It just needs 30 years and a decision. If this helped, subscribe for more real money math. And watch my renting versus buying video next. Same energy, same real numbers. See you in the next one.